Hey, welcome back to JSEWtastic. So what? I don't know, but we're doing a lot of upcycling and sewing over here. Basically, we're doing a lot of sewing right now, but mixed in with some upcyclings that I haven't shared. So maybe I'll do that later on. But this week, I am diving into two fabulous looks. New look pattern 6491 and 6866. Plus a current look at my MeMade dress that I am creating. So I will be sharing my thoughts in this video, the fit, the fabric. I have a little video of me in one of the new look dresses, and then some tweaking that I'm doing along the way. And of course, my sewing sidekick, Winston, is here too. So y'all know Winston got to be in the house. Mr. Supervisor. He has to supervise everything. Let me know if it's okay, if the fabric is okay, all of that. So if you have your dog or your cat or whatever pet you share within your sewing journey, yeah, share it with us. Let us know what's going on. Let me know. I want to know. Do y'all have a pet? Do y'all have a pet? Okay. And then finally in the video, stick around for Winston's corner and his thoughts on the dress. And then I love to hear from you if you have sewn these patterns before, or do you have a favorite MeMade piece you're working on, or does your pet keep you company while you're sewing? So if you like this content, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, but watch the content first and go back and watch a couple of videos, and I will share it with you guys. Some videos in the link, well, in the description. I will share some prior videos so you can go back and see what your girl been doing. And yes, I know I have on a silver earring and a gold earring. It was intentional. Your girl just got back from her trip, but she enjoyed herself, and she got some unpacking to do. And Winston and I have already been on 3 walks for the day already. And I will not be sewing today. I am taking a break for the full day because I want to make sure that I got this video uploaded to you. So with that said, let's get into this video for today. And thank you all for coming, and welcome to my new subscribers. See y'all here. Okay, so our topics for this week, we're going to do a little bit of a pattern talk. We are going to talk about my MeMade dress. We're going to do, just talk about the challenges and the hacks and things that I went through. And we may have some Winston moments in there. Who knows? You got to stay tuned to see what's going on. And then I want to know, after you watch the video, the whole complete video, would you sew these patterns? Which one would you try? Okay. And then, yeah, that's what we gonna talk about. Y'all know, oh my gosh, I'm tired, y'all. I just got back from the Huntsville, Alabama trip, and I'm just sharing with you what I did work on before I left for that trip and what I am currently working on this week to finish up. So if you're interested in that content, stay tuned for me and Winston in the next part of the video. So today, what we're going to do here today is this week, I'm diving into my fabulous new look patterns. Okay, let me share with you my patterns. All right, let me share with you my patterns and my MeMade dress. So I am doing new look 6491, and I am doing a short version of that dress. I have done a long version of this dress before. All right, and then I also worked on new look 6866, and I will share with you in a video this dress that I have already sewn and make. This is one of the dresses where I was going to sew with the sunflower fabric, so I wanted to test it out on some fabric that I had already. I think I purchased the fabric at the Goodwill. I think so. I think I did, or it might have been a thrift store where I purchased the fabric from. So I'm going to share with you that make, and then also I'm going to share with you my MeMade make this week. And so, and stick around, and later on we'll see what Winston thinks about it. So if you're interested, stay tuned. Okay, so let's get it started, y'all. First of all, I made New Look 6491. Okay, I'm going to share with you guys the dress. Here it is in the video up here, and here it is in person, so to speak. Here it is in all its glory. It is a beautiful make, and I was trying to try it out. I did not put the hole in the dress that the pattern called for. I just put the little tie on there and went with it from there. So I have not worn the dress yet. I do plan on wearing it soon. I probably will wear it to church or whatever have you. So hold on a minute, y'all. I need to get my mic. Hold on. Okay, so this sounds better. So right now I want to do the little pattern talk part of the video. I want to break down the differences between New Look 6491 and 6866. Okay, the style, the fit, and exactly what it looks like. So as you can see, they're both long dresses, but I chose to make one short and I chose to make a long one. Now, the both patterns called for, let me see here, what kind of fabric: laundered cotton and cotton blends, silk and silk type double Georgette rayons. Okay, and so that's what this one called for. And that's what I was going to sew in the double knit, but I decided to sew it in this fabric, and I don't know what it is. I think it's a type of linen. That's what it looks like to me. I don't know if you can see the fabric close up, but it looked like some type of linen to me. I bought this at a thrift store, and so I don't really know what type of fabric it is. So let me see if I can try to hang it on here so it could be back there. Nah, it's not gonna stay, y'all. It's not gonna stay. So, but anyway, yeah. And the difference between this one is nice and flowy and long and comfortable to wear. You can dress it up with a pair of heels, or you can dress it down and just wear some flats and be comfortable. Say you want to go to a concert in the park or something like that. It would be something nice to wear for something like this. Now, this one, my intentions was to sew it for the all white party that I went to in Huntsville, but I ain't make it, y'all. I ain't make it to get that done. All I was able to do was get it cut out, and I still have to do the lining. Now I have it sitting over here on my table. Like I said, it's all cut out. Let me show you guys. It's all cut out, but it needs a lining added to it. So that's where I'm at in the process with that dress. So I will be sewing up New Look 6491 version D, which is this blue version right here. I will be sewing that up, finishing that up this week. Now, I just wanted a nice summer dress that was going to be short and comfortable. And, this is the season for all white parties. So that's the reason why I wanted to make me a nice little cute white dress to wear to, a backyard party or something like that. Yeah, so that's what I was doing there. And then the challenges that I had with the first dress was making sure that the shoulder parts of the dress, which is like, let me share, where's my pattern at? Let me grab it. This part of the dress, I struggle with a little bit, like getting the shoulders and getting the circumference of the arm right. And the reason why I struggle with that, because I did not use a knit fabric. I used some type of linen. So there was no stretch in the dress. And then I think I sewed it a little big. Okay. I don't know. It doesn't look big in the video, but if I was to sew this in a knit, it would be super big on me. So I did choose let me see, what was I chose the extra large, and I think that when I sew it in the knit fabric, I will be able to size down because, knit has that little stretch to it. It gives you, especially when you're using like a 4-way knit. And this is, let me see the fabric that I had chose to make it in first, but I wanted to do a test, and I do like the dress, but I think it will flow better in this knit fabric. No shade on the dress that I just made. I definitely love it, but my intentions was to make it in the sunflower version. So, and then my MeMade. Okay, so y'all know I've been working on this, and every time I look at it, I change something else about it. So it's just going to be a top. I think I'm going to add shearing to the back of it. I don't know. I haven't tried it on yet because I haven't created the top. And I have not, let me slow down. I have not decided what I want to exactly do with this top yet. I do know that I want to put in casing so that I can insert strings into this shoulder part of the top. Let me see if I can bring it a little closer for y'all. Hold on, because Donna be falling apart on me, y'all. Winston getting up. He don't like me bringing Donna close. I think he kind of scared of Donna. I don't know. But anyway, yeah. This part right here, I want to add a casing to it. And then I want to take a drawstring and bring it through there so that I can make it adjustable. And I also want to put like, let me bring y'all down so y'all can see. I also want to add strings to the side so that I could get in the top without any difficulty. Yeah, so that's what I want to do more with the top. And I'm just kind of like taking my time with the top because I really want it to be cute and I want it to fit well. We want it to fit well, right, Winston? Huh? You like it? What do you think? What do you think? Come on. What do you think? Do you like it? Huh? Come smell it. Yeah, check it out. You like it? Yep, we got it. Give me a high five. High five from Winston, y'all. High five from Winston. I think he likes it. Thank you for this new. He is extra happy to see me because he is extra happy to see me. So, you know, I've been gone for 4 days, so I'm glad he's back. And I'm extra happy to see him too. And instead of me, with my MeMade, I also wanted to mention that instead of me making it a complete dress, hey, Poopa. Hey. Oh, I missed you too. Yeah. Okay, and I made a skirt. Okay, I went on ahead and made a skirt, and I'm deciding whether or not I want to add a ruffle to it. Now, it might look short, but I keep telling y'all, your girl only 5'2", so it's not short on me. So I think it's really gonna look cute when I get it done. But I am in no hurry. I'm trying to make it be what I want it to be. So yes, that's it, y'all. Your girl been busy. She is super tired today. It is Monday. I'm trying to get this video up. What you say, Winston? What you say? Huh? What you say? What's going on? What's going on? Huh? Hi. Hi. Winston really, really missed me, y'all. I didn't know how much he was going to miss me. I love my doggy. I do, I do, I do. Say hi to the people. Say hi to the people, Winston. Say hi. He says hi, y'all. Yeah, him love his mommy. Him miss his mommy too. Then you miss me? And he keep licking. I think he's hungry. So he's probably telling me it's time for him to go and eat something. Okay. And we have been snuggling all morning since I got back. So yeah, but that is what's going on here today. Let's wrap it up and I will see you guys in the next video. And remember to like, subscribe, and share if you like my content. Okay, if you don't like it, I understand. You know, it's a million other one of us is out there. It's a lot of us. But if you like my content, please subscribe. Think about joining the JSEWtastic family. We would appreciate you coming on over here and growing with us. So with that said, I'm just going to say, I would love to hear from you in the comments. Would you sew these two patterns? Are you working on any kind of MeMade items, fabric makes, fashion takes? What's going on with you? And do you include your doggy? Do he watch you sew? Because my doggy watch me sew. He take naps while I sew. He do all that kind of stuff. But with that said, y'all, finally for the last time, I'm off of here because I need to go and sew. Okay? All right. I'll talk to y'all later. Glad you stopped by. See you in the next video. I upload on Mondays.